Welcome back to Cyber Awareness, Episode 2. Every single day, millions of people receive fake emails, text messages, phone calls, and social media messages designed to trick them into revealing sensitive information, such as passwords, bank details, OTPs, or personal data. The worrying part is that phishing doesn't just target computer experts or businesses. It targets everyone: students, parents, professionals, senior citizens, and anyone who uses a smartphone or the internet. In today's episode, we'll understand what phishing is, how attackers trick people using simple psychological techniques, recognize the warning signs of a phishing attack, and most importantly, how to protect yourself and your family. Let's get started. So what exactly is phishing? Phishing is the most common type of cyber attack, where an attacker tries to trick people into revealing personal information such as passwords, bank account details, or one-time passwords, OTPs. The attacker doesn't reveal their real identity. Instead, they pretend to be someone the victim trusts, such as a bank, a friend, or a well-known company. Because the message appears genuine, many people unknowingly share their sensitive information. The goal of phishing is simple: to deceive people into revealing confidential information that can later be misused by the attacker. Understanding how phishing works is the first step toward protecting yourself from becoming its next victim. But have you ever wondered, why is this cyber attack called phishing? The name comes from the word fishing. Think about how a fisherman catches a fish. He doesn't chase it. Instead, he places bait on a hook and waits. The fish believes it has found food, but the moment it bites, it gets caught. Cybercriminals use the same trick. Instead of a fishing rod, they use fake emails, messages, websites, or QR codes as bait. When people trust these fake messages and click on them, attackers steal information such as passwords, bank details, Aadhaar information, credit card details, and OTPs. Just like a fish is trapped by bait, victims are trapped by deception. That's why it's called phishing, because attackers are fishing for your personal information, not fish. Let's compare phishing and phishing. In phishing, a fisherman uses bait to catch fish. In phishing, cybercriminals use fake emails, text messages, websites, QR codes, or even phone calls as their bait. Phishing targets fish, but phishing targets people. The goal of phishing is to catch fish. The goal of phishing is to steal sensitive information or money. The most important thing to understand is this: just as a fish voluntarily bites the bait, a phishing victim is tricked into clicking a link, opening an attachment, or sharing personal information. So why is phishing called a social engineering attack? Social engineering is the practice of manipulating people into revealing confidential information or performing actions. Instead of attacking computers directly, cybercriminals target human psychology. They know that when people feel scared, excited, or curious, they are more likely to act without thinking. For example, you might receive a message saying, "Your bank account will be suspended today," or "Your package delivery has failed." Maybe, "Congratulations, you have won a prize," or even, "Your income tax refund is waiting." These messages are designed to create urgency or excitement, so you click a link, open an attachment, or share your personal information before verifying whether the message is genuine. Now that we know what phishing is, let's understand what attackers are trying to achieve. Phishing attacks are designed to steal valuable information or trick users into installing harmful software. Attackers often target usernames and passwords, online banking credentials, credit or debit card details, and one-time passwords, OTPs, that can be used to authorize financial transactions. Some phishing attacks also convince users to download malware or ransomware, allowing attackers to infect their computers or mobile phones. In organizations, phishing is used to gain unauthorized access to company networks, putting sensitive systems and data at risk. The ultimate goals are identity theft, financial fraud, and the theft of confidential information. Now that we know what phishing is, let's see how a phishing attack works. Most phishing attacks happen in 5 simple steps. Step 1. Planning. The attacker chooses a target, such as bank customers, employees, students, or the general public. Step 2. Fake identity. They create a fake email, website, message, or phone call that appears to come from a trusted organization. Step 3. Send the message. The fake message is sent to one person or thousands of people. Step 4. Victim takes action. The victim clicks a malicious link, opens an attachment, scans a fake QR code, or replies to the message. Step 5. Theft or malware. the attacker steals passwords, bank details, and OTPs, or installs malware on the device. Result: the stolen information can be used for identity theft, financial fraud. A successful phishing attack can affect both individuals and organizations. For individuals, phishing can cause financial loss, identity theft, and unauthorized access to email, social media, or banking accounts. It may also lead to the loss of personal data and significant emotional stress. For organizations, the impact can be even more serious. Phishing can result in data breaches, financial fraud, ransomware attacks, and business disruption. It can also damage the organization's reputation and even lead to regulatory penalties. A phishing attack may take only minutes, but its consequences can last for a long time. Let's begin with one of the most common phishing attacks, smishing, or SMS phishing. Smishing is a phishing attack delivered through text messages, SMS. The message may appear to come from your bank, a courier company, a mobile provider, or a government department. For example, your parcel could not be delivered. Click here to reschedule delivery. If you click the link, it may lead to a fake website that steals your personal information or installs malware on your device. To stay safe, never click links in unexpected SMS messages. Instead, verify the message through the organization's official website, app, or customer care number. Let's move on to another common phishing attack called phishing, or voice phishing. Phishing is carried out through phone calls. The scammer pretends to be a bank representative, police officer, government official, or technical support executive. They often create urgency by claiming your bank account is blocked, suspicious transactions were detected, or KYC verification is pending. Their goal is to make you reveal OTPs, passwords, PINs, or banking details. Remember, no genuine bank or government department will ever ask for your OTP, password, or PIN over a phone call. To stay safe, never share confidential information over the phone. If a call seems suspicious, hang up and contact the organization using its official phone number. Another common type of phishing attack is email phishing. In this attack, cybercriminals send fake emails that appear to come from banks, online shopping websites, government agencies, or well-known companies. These emails often ask you to click a link, download an attachment, reset your password, or verify your account. For example, your bank account has been temporarily suspended. Click here to verify your account. The link may lead to a fake website that steals your login credentials. Watch for unknown senders, urgent messages, unexpected attachments, and requests for passwords or OTPs. To stay safe, verify the sender's email address and use the organization's official website instead of the link in the email. Unlike regular phishing, spear phishing targets a specific person or organization. Before launching the attack, cybercriminals research their victim. They collect information such as your name, job role, company, or even the projects you're currently working on. Using this information, they create a personalized email that appears genuine and trustworthy. For example, an employee may receive an email mentioning their name and a current project. Trusting the email, they open the attachment, allowing the attacker to gain access to the organization's network. To stay safe, always verify unexpected requests, even if they look personal, and confirm important requests through another trusted communication channel. Whaling is a specialized form of spear phishing that targets senior executives, business owners, and other high-ranking officials. The attacker may try to steal confidential information, obtain financial approval, or gain access to important business systems. For example, a fake email may appear to come from the company's legal department requesting confidential financial documents. To protect against whaling attacks, always verify unusual requests directly with the sender and follow your organization's approval procedures before sharing sensitive information or authorizing financial transactions. Clone phishing is a type of phishing attack where an attacker copies a legitimate email that you have previously received and replaces the original link or attachment with a malicious one. Since the email looks familiar, many people trust it and click without noticing the change. To stay safe, always check whether the link or attachment has changed. And if you receive an unexpected replacement email, confirm it directly with the sender before opening it. Business email compromise, or BEC, is a phishing attack that specifically targets organizations. In this attack, the attacker impersonates a company executive, manager, supplier, or business partner to trick employees into transferring money, sharing confidential documents, or updating bank account details. For example, an employee may receive an email that appears to be from the managing director, requesting an urgent payment to a new supplier account. To prevent BEC attacks, Always verify payment requests through your organization's approved procedures and confirm any changes to bank account details before making payments. Another common type of phishing is social media phishing. In this attack, cybercriminals create fake social media profiles or send fraudulent messages pretending to be trusted brands or organizations. These messages often promise fake giveaways, fake job offers, fake customer support, or contain malicious links to trick you. For example, a fake account claiming to represent a popular brand may ask you to click a link to claim a prize. To stay safe, always verify that you're interacting with an official account and never click suspicious links sent through direct messages. Phishing, or QR code phishing, is a phishing attack that uses fake QR codes to trick victims. When you scan the QR code, it may take you to a fake website that asks for your login credentials, banking details, or other sensitive information. For example, an attacker may place a fake QR code over a genuine payment QR code, redirecting users to a fraudulent payment website. To protect yourself, scan QR codes only from trusted sources, and always check the website address before entering any personal or financial information. So how can you recognize a phishing attack? Be cautious if you notice unexpected emails or text messages, especially if they ask for your password or one-time password, also known as an OTP. Watch out for urgent messages that demand immediate action or threaten you with statements like, "Your account will be blocked." Also, be suspicious of offers that seem too good to be true, suspicious links, unexpected attachments, or generic greetings like, "Dear customer." Poor grammar, spelling mistakes, and requests for confidential or financial information are also common warning signs. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing the way phishing attacks are carried out. Today, attackers use AI to generate realistic phishing emails, improve grammar and spelling, personalize messages for individual victims, create convincing fake websites, and even produce deepfake voice or video content. As a result, phishing messages are becoming much harder to distinguish from legitimate communications. But AI is also helping the good guys. Cybersecurity professionals use AI to detect suspicious emails, identify unusual behavior, and strengthen defenses against phishing attacks. We've seen that phishing can come in many forms: email, SMS, phone calls, social media messages, or even QR codes. But no matter how the message reaches you, the safest response is always the same. Stop. Think. Verify. Stop before you click or respond. Think about whether the message is genuine. Verify through official channels before taking any action. Remember, a few seconds of caution can protect you from becoming the next phishing victim. Cybercriminals don't always rely on just one phishing technique. They often combine multiple methods to make their attacks more convincing. For example, you might receive a fake SMS containing a link to a fraudulent website, or a phone call asking you to verify information that was first requested in a fake email. That's why you should never trust a message simply because it follows another one. Always verify every request through official channels before sharing any personal or financial information. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Knowledge Hub Visit. Stay safe, stay aware, and I'll see you in the next video.